In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a task to a milestone in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your Asana workspace. Once you have that open, navigate to the project that contains the task you're looking to elevate to a milestone. This is where you'll manage all the details of your project, so it's important to find the right one. Now that you're in the correct project, take a moment to browse through your task list. You're looking for a specific task that signifies a significant progress point in your project. This could be a task that, when completed, will mean major achievements for your project. It's a great opportunity to highlight key accomplishments, so choose wisely. Once you've found the task you want to convert, right-click on it. This is going to open up a contextual drop-down menu filled with various management options. It's like your toolbox. Everything you need is all right there in one place. From this menu, look for the option that says Convert To. Clicking this will lead you to the transformation settings for that task. You'll see some options appear, and this is where the magic happens. Next, select the option labeled Milestone. By doing this, you're essentially changing the status of that task from just a regular to-do item into a milestone, a marker of big achievements in your project timeline. It's a simple click, but it makes a huge difference in how your project is perceived and organized. Once you've made that selection, take a moment to observe the visual change in the task icon. You will see it transform, now representing a milestone instead of a typical task. This little visual cue is significant, as it signifies a critical project achievement. And there you have it. The task is now officially converted to a milestone. But we're not done just yet. It's time to verify that this updated milestone is visible to your team members on the project timeline. This is crucial because you want everyone involved in the project to see these important markers. Make sure to navigate to your project timeline and check that the milestone appears where it should in all its glory. And that's it. You've successfully converted a task to a milestone in Asana. Not only have you made a vital adjustment to your workflow, but you've also set your project up for clearer communication and organization. Make sure to check your results now. Ensure everything looks good and is functioning as it should. If your milestone is in place and your team can see it, then you've nailed it. Thank you for joining me today as we walk through this useful process in Asana. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video so you won't miss out on more tips and tricks like this one.